Hi there, my name is William George. I'm one of the sales consultants here at Puget Systems, and I just want to take a minute to talk to you about what it is that we do here, and my role in particular. I really don't like the name sales consultant because there's a lot of bad press around the idea of sales in our culture, and I think it's merited. We don't push sales here. We try not to be pushy. We don't go for the clothes. We're not cold calling people. We really are more on the consulting side. We just happen to also sell computers. So what we do generally is help people figure out what they're looking for in terms of hardware based on what they're doing with their computer and what their budget is. So people come to us via our website. They also call in sometimes or email or get on our chat service and want to talk about what they're looking for. Some people know exactly what hardware they want, and that's fantastic. We're happy to help those folks too, but a vast majority of people don't know exactly what's best for them or how to optimize within their budget. So that's what we're here for. We help people based on what they're going to be using the computer for, and not just broad things, but like specifically if they're going for a certain type of gaming or gaming on a certain resolution or working with a certain resolution of video that they're editing or photo editing with very high resolution images. Whatever their specific niche is, we can tailor a system to that exact situation. And it's not just the uses. Sometimes people need a very small system. Sometimes people need a very quiet system. That's one of our specialties here at Puget Systems. Sometimes people want a very big system with lots of expansion room, even if they're starting with fairly basic specifications, so it can grow over the years. And we just listen to that, talk with them, figure out what they need, and then push them in the right direction. Either by configuring a system entirely for them or taking a system they've configured and making changes to it. Whatever is the best thing for that individual person and whatever's going to work out best. And then our production guys build them. And that's actually something I do want to give a quick shout out to. I am immensely proud of our production staff here. We've got some great guys working back there, and Puget Systems wouldn't be the company it is without them. I actually started here in our production department 10 years ago, and I would like to think we built decent systems back then, but what they do nowadays is light years beyond what we were doing 10 years ago. They've got much better quality control checklists, much more detailed processes for doing things, better checks and balances, and even little things like wiring. The guys back there are wizards at wiring. I was never and probably never will be as good as they are at that. And they're the ones who are responsible for building the systems we configure, and they do a phenomenal job of it. We've also got a great support staff that helps folks after the fact, either getting set up with a new computer or if something goes wrong years down the road and they need to help troubleshoot or get a replacement part. We've just got a really great company all around here that I'm very proud to be a part of. Beyond my specific task in consulting, I also do a lot of reading online, going through reviews and benchmarks, keeping up on the hardware that's out there so that I have the knowledge to be able to help people out when they need it. That's nearly a full-time job on its own, honestly. And then I also do some writing. I'm not specifically part of our labs department. They put out a whole ton of awesome stuff, great resources, but I do some writing on our blog and occasional articles and things like that to help them out on the side. And that's pretty much what I do here. I've been doing it for 10 years now. I'm, again, very pleased and proud to be a part of this company. And yeah, it's just been a great opportunity, and I hope to be here for another 10 years or even more. Beyond what I do here at Puget Systems, I've got a beautiful family, my wife and 3 children at home, whom I love very much. And I also end up actually spending a lot of time on computers outside of work. I've grown up on computers since I was 5 and just really enjoy using them, helping other people to use them, fixing them, building them, all sorts of different stuff. And so I do a lot of that. I also am into gaming, as you can probably see here, quite enamored of Star Citizen at the moment, along with a few other games that I play from time to time, and I'm working on trying to get my son into more and more gaming as he grows up. Yeah, that's pretty much me in a nutshell. Again, my name is William George, and if you happen to speak to me or drop me an email, I'd be happy to help you out. Take care.